Hello everyone, it's Cleggvex with you, and in this video, I will tell you about the strategy on the RC14 indicator. Accordingly, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and immediately subscribe to my Telegram channel. Because there you'll find my blog. I report to you how much I've earned in a day actually, and some new strategies. To make sure you don't miss any videos, definitely subscribe there as well. Also, subscribe to the Telegram channel with educational materials. So that's it, let's go. I've got a real account with $840 on my balance, and I will show my strategy on this indicator. Accordingly, the strategy based on this indicator basically works almost always. Sometimes there are only breakouts. So, let's go. I'll tell you what it's all about. When the price is, wait. Let's set this time much higher. At least 30 seconds is mandatory, otherwise it will be tough. And we trade. Well, preferably not more than 2% of our deposit. Let me take this. Well, let it be approximately $15 for me. I think it's okay, that is, about 1,000 rubles, right? And accordingly, let's wait now for it to go down to the bottom. And we open a deal upwards with you. Based on the chart analysis, I can say that we have a downward trend. It is going down. It is simply falling down, the price is. That is, many people are selling. Accordingly, now we should buy. Aha! The shadow, up, we open from here. Because the candle has fallen sharply, and you saw what kind of shadow it has. Most likely, people will now buy back. Because there is a buyback with each drop. For 30 seconds I probably took it in vain. It was necessary to open for 15 seconds, and we would have taken the deal in 100% profit. So, the price is going down. What is the essence of this strategy? I keep touching, but not explaining. Look, it turns out, we have this graph, it displays it here well, in a linear way, so to speak. Accordingly, well, damn, they're just lines. How do I explain to you? That is, not with candles, but with lines, indicating where the price is going. Essentially, when our line touches either the lower or the upper level, we open a trade in the opposite direction. Well, this is a kind of easy trading. Usually we have a percentage, so to speak, capitalization on the set time frame. Here it's 15 seconds. You can set it to 30, and accordingly, it will be even more. And here, every 30 seconds, we will see this time frame. So, I repeat again. This is the capitalization at this point in time. We have here 46 minutes, and 30 seconds here we have 47. And this is shown how, well, in general, what volume of trades is happening at this point in time. Well, most likely, for the last leg. It's not like an hour, it seems like it should be a day, because if not a day, then it should fly higher somewhere lower. Well, here in principle. They take an average value, yes, according to the trading volume most likely. Wait for the last hour or so, or not an hour. And each trading corridor shows us. That is, look, we had a trading corridor somehow, suppose here. And then a new thing is opened up. That is, after this fall, you see, the fall was strong. But the chart shows that allegedly not. And accordingly in this corridor, here it is, our chart stands. Not stands, but rather emerges, so to speak. And accordingly, here we see by volume. Well, most likely by the time frame you chose. Consequently, OP, the green candle went very sharply. I say, after the fall, people definitely go to buy. Just like when the price rises for us, many start selling. The price went to buyback. Accordingly, people are purchasing this currency, and it would be necessary, in principle, to enter. Seems so, yes. But it seems to me, well, it doesn't seem, and I speak from experience, as soon as it breaks this line, or reaches it, although if it reaches it we can look at the chart, that there were breakthroughs. There were breakthroughs, and were breakthroughs, and from below breakthroughs. Later, okay, I just forgot to turn off touch up, also touch up there was a touch from above. And it goes down here, you see, there was a small breakout, a small drop. Here is a good breakout. Usually the breakout goes up. When people rush in, there are new people rushing in, and accordingly, they also invest their money purchase this currency. And accordingly, after which the price takes off. But in any case, those who they invested, so to speak, more than beginners, yes, that is a lot of beginners come. They gradually invest, and one person who has already, so to speak, reached a good percentage takes it and puts it all up for sale. But this is all done on trading specifically when people buy currency, keep it to themselves on the platform, and accordingly then sell it we go, so to speak. More short. Touches up. And here is a breakout from below, by the way. Very good in principle. This is a good breakout. That is by 15%. Practically he went down well by 9. It could have been generally in the 15% most likely if the price went so well. Here bam 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 for some reason started to withdraw. Sell here went the purchases, absolutely here. Purchases bam 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 bam. The price varies somehow unclear, then click from the line. Immediately went for a breakdown. This is very tough. Wait. Wait, timely, yes, every 30, let's say, but yes, maybe it will be a disadvantage, by the way, because why? Because I messed up and didn't open the deal on time. If we have loss-making deals, we will offset them. Look, the price has flown very high. Here it touched. Look, the price will go down now. But in 8 seconds my deal won close in the positive for me accordingly. The price went up. Okay. We'll offset it with 2 deals a bit later to come out positive. We will come out in the positive anyway. Oh well. It just touched. Now what? Here we do it twice, and look, she went up. Damn it, no luck. No luck, even very good. It flies upwards. There it is touched. Well, there will be no breakthrough. If it is already twice, well, let's open. The minute chart we will open. Minute chart. Although if we trade at 30 seconds, although you see most likely the chart should have been. The deals are negative. Balik was initially $840, now already 809. Let's say, poo. I don't know the price, wait. As soon as it reaches here, it will definitely go down. It won't even reach here. Although twice, you see, it dipped to here even lower. And most likely, yes, you see the price is going down. But it almost touched. Let's try. Okay, let's do it here. 15 seconds, 5 deals opened, because the candle will definitely go down now for 15 seconds. And I'm telling you, it almost touched. Yes. Oh my, what bad luck. Oh, things are bad, guys. Our situation is very bad. I've already lost $100. Carved out another one. Oh, of course, how many trades will I have to open now to make up for all this? If it's 15 seconds, well, basically, if it doesn't fly up, it won't knock it out. In some unclear volume, it's most likely possible that this is artificially done. The fact is that someone is selling a portion of the coins, and people see it dropping accordingly. Psychology will work so that everyone starts to settle here. The price has already gone down. It will not go up again, although it was stupid to open for 15 seconds. It was necessary to open for a minute. It went down 100% now. We need to break even, return our $840 and earn more. Look, all the deals are closed in the pluses. We have returned the balance. So, accordingly, let's choose another currency pair because the situation is wildly unclear. Most likely someone is really artificially creating this, you see big. The candle is not artificially for sale. The price soared. Smart people bought and sold. People started panicking and withdrawing, although you see the price was basically acceptable. By the way, this is actually a difficult situation. I wouldn't have predicted this. Okay, let's go to another currency pair. AUD/CAD is one of the preferred currency pairs for all traders, so to speak. Accordingly, the chart here is also chaotic. If it has now flown upwards, we need to open for a decline accordingly. All of this takes 15 seconds, yes, you see. Touched here. Something varies unclear because I need to set the time frame to 30 seconds. Most likely this will be a losing trade for me. Wait, it closed in profit, but that's purely luck. It's purely just luck now. It only slightly touches upward, and we will open trades downward. 2 trades for 30 seconds. Let's hope that the price won't turn upwards in any way. There was such a drop, such a rise. In principle, where do we have our little corridor? How did it break through? Wait, chicks.
Checks.
Most likely these data deals weight vary. It's a very controversial situation. This is a bad currency pair at the moment because it's unclear what's happening. Oh, once again to zero Yeshkin Groshkin. No big deal, that's not going down. It doesn't go in any way. 15 seconds. Look. Just a little bit. I literally needed 5 more seconds. Just 5 seconds. And I would have taken my profit. Let's try opening 2 trades down. Because our disadvantages need to be covered by arguments, we should not go into the negative at best. We should earn not millions immediately well and all disadvantages still. Horrible, horrible currency pair, which on the euro will leave. Let's see what here we need to open a lot of deals upward we went. Because we need to overcome our losses. So it turns out let's go without chart analysis. Stupidly by indicator. There was a touch here, so it means it will go up now. And we will. Losses, I really hope. Approximately $60 comes out, which means my net profit is currently about. The text is already in English. Here is the original text. Ni 603859 $what такие вот дела соответственно мы можем уже кстати повысить наш штат, так скажем. The deposit for each transaction but $900. Maybe, well, let's make it 10. We'll lower it a little because the situation is unclear. We open for an increase. There it is, the shadow by which our deal closed, and accordingly the candle began to roll down, although there's actually a trend here. It's just going down from here. It started, that was also 3 down from here. Hours ago, then let's say. My shadow can say yes. It's a mess. I entered very strongly because I saw a sharp movement up. Well, all in all it's a minus. And I didn't lower to $10, so to speak. Yes, on this currency pair I cannot trade. Let's go to Euro USD. Sorry, some currency. Accordingly, let's go up. Let's see TST. Sorry, some currency. Accordingly, let's go like he dies today specifically. Most likely it's better to take a break. Maybe go remember something else. Analyze the schedule, if you have it. In the long run, let's try to open up. Alright, never mind. We'll make deals for 1 minute. We'll open a deal for $60. We're going up, leaving for a minute, coming back in a minute, and looking to see if we went to profit, as we must leave because there was a bounce everywhere. It goes up now if we open at a 15-second time frame accordingly. The deals we would take already in the plus. Is it risky? We can finish. We can put $10 and basically finish the plus if we make it. And also open for a minute, goofed, understood. And yes, we would take it. Let's open more basically. Why for 30 seconds? We have that deal, which is for $60 here. We can. And we can open down for 5 seconds, and it will basically close. Look. 2 deals closed at 0. Can you imagine? Here's just like it's bad luck. Just like some kind of misfortune had to be down, open, and erupt. Accordingly, well, for now, op with pluses took $115. Price drops candle. Also. Oh, wait for 5 seconds. Wait, that was nonsense. All $2. Here's the translation of the provided text into English. For $50, let's go. But we'll open it with you for a minute. Here's the net profit. Mine at the moment is already $40. $40 is good. For a minute we open. Most likely she will. Oh, bad. She might not even reach this value. She needs to stand not for a minute. You see, the red candle is here. It's very bad. But it should be traded until it reaches this indicator. And this indicator is exactly that is. This line, we have a ceiling, so to speak, exactly this little thing that I put well, a little higher, and here it is here. It will be this upper line. This will be this upper. Accordingly, here's this candle, here is its shadow, and here accordingly, this will be the upper line that is in fact in 15 seconds. I may not have the deal closed. If the shadow does not reach weight, everything interrupts, and accordingly it will already go either to this place Whoops. Sorry to turn here. But this is very little... Well, look, 3... Nonsense, just nonsense. Accordingly, now we need to open on a downward trend. Well, how much? Well, let's try to interrupt you. How much? We will set also $10. Maybe twice. I'll set click, opening the deal, and the candle goes red just to return the plus in general. $50 of pure profit. Is it a lot or not, guys? This is like usual work, all guys. This is like usual. I'm gonna try. I do it all for you. I'll tell you, just showing you when I'm too lazy to analyze. As it was with us, in my opinion, with the first schedule. Yes, accordingly. There's just a drop, rise, fall. I don't understand whether someone is artificially creating some kind of panic, or if really many newcomers are entering. You need to definitely check the news before trading, and at the moment when trading, just check the news every half an hour. Because if some news bursts out, accordingly, there will be a breakthrough fall 100%. You can play well on this by betting on it. Approximately 10 minutes accordingly. Watch how the news plays. Bam, the fall, everything it's above this won't fly in, or some news. There, bam, 2222, some president did something good. Accordingly said something like this, and already, from this you push up down. But anyways, thanks to the news you can also benefit. Well, from this for now, that's all. This was ClickVex. It turns out $50 or 49 cents you. For now, that's all. Like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my Telegram channels. This was ClickVex with you. Once again, I wish everyone success and goodbye.